there guys, I am so excited for this video because in today's video we are going to be making 7 different DIY body scrubs. So I will be showing you 7 different recipes of body scrubs you can easily make at home with things you probably have sitting in your kitchen and your bathroom. And we will also be showing some tips and tricks and all the stuff you should know about how to use a body scrub and what it does, and some tips as well. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, and let's just get into this. Okay, so here's your disclaimer. Everything you see in this video is just based on my researches and preferences, so I'm not forcing you to, make a scrub at home and use it, or like buy it from Tree Hut or something. And I am neither a dermatologist, skin specialist, or any of that. I just have a passion for self-care and I research all my information before giving it to you. So just test at your own risk, and remember, not everything will work for everyone. Thanks. So if you're new to this stuff, make sure when you use a body scrub, use it before shaving, but after your body wash, after using any products on your body. And make sure to only use twice to thrice a week, okay? And you can use any sort of thing to scrub it on. So you can use exfoliating gloves, body brush, hands, and all that. So how to use it: just take a small amount in your hands, or even generous, depends, and then just scrub all over the body with your exfoliating tool, and just keep doing that for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then wash off and watch your skin be so soft. And make sure you moisturize. This is a must. And also, do not use body scrubs on your face. You shouldn't be using any sort of scrubs on your face, and I will be doing a video on why you shouldn't. But yeah, that's it for this part right here. So let's move on to the next slide. So here are my favorite brands. You probably see these a lot on my Instagram page, but yeah, I love these brands, so you should check them out too. And then here are today's recipes. Number 1, we've got Moisturizing HoneyBun Scrub, Glowing Orange Body Scrub, Polishing Fruit Body Scrub, Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub, Softening Whipped Body Scrub, Refreshing Aloe and Rose Body Scrub, and lastly, Detoxifying Green. So first up is the Moisturizing HoneyBun Body Scrub. So you will need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or any other oil you'd like to use. So first, you're going to start off in a bowl by adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use regular white sugar if you want, choose any you want, just gotta get the exfoliating. Then 1 tablespoon of honey, I recommend organic or raw, and then 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So if you have strawberry legs, if it's called, just make sure to not really add coconut oil, use almond oil or something else instead. This can clog the pores and make it a little worse, but it still works great, especially for dry skin. And there you have it, it's done. So I love the smell of this one. It's a nice bakery warm scent, and it goes well with vanilla. So here are the benefits of each one of the ingredients I have used in this recipe right here, so pause and take a look if you'd like. Next up, we have the Glowing Orange Body Scrub right here. So you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So start off by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to this bowl, and then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of your freshly squeezed orange juice. You can do vice versa, like lemon and orange instead. And then you are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda just to balance the pH and get the vitamin C even more boosted, if that makes sense. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your lemon juice, and then your oil, 1 teaspoon of that, and then just going to give it a good mix until you like the consistency. You can obviously change ingredients between if you like. So here is the final result right here. This one is amazing for anyone with dark spots, but just make sure to patch test as always, as this one can be a little harsh on sensitive skin. So here are your benefits for each ingredient again. Once again, feel free to pause and read if you want. So next up, we have the Polishing Fruit Body Scrub. I love this one, my favorite. So 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of any fruit juice, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of almond oil. So first, you're going to start off with your 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then you're going to add your oil, 1 teaspoon of almond oil or any other oil you'd like to use. And then you are going to add 2 tablespoons of any fruit juice. We decided to use blackberry juice since that was one of the only ones we had, but it still smells great and does an amazing job. So you're going to give that a good mix. So you can obviously change the measurements to see what you like. As you see, mine got a bit liquidy here. I decided to add some sugar to make it better afterwards, and that is it. Natural, smelling good, and has many benefits to it, which are coming up next. So here are your benefits once added again. Pause once again. And yeah. So this one right here is going to be a dupe smoothing coconut coffee scrubs. So for this one, you will need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So you're going to start off by adding either the sugar or the coffee grounds. Just start off with dry ingredients first. So we decided to start off with our coffee grounds right here. Don't use instant coffee because it won't get you like the scrub, you know. Then add your sugar, and yeah, my phone died right there. But anyways, here's a fast forward of all the ingredients mixed together. Kind of looks a little gross, but trust me, it does the best. So this is a perfect dupe to the OGX Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub. Just not the real OGX effect or store-bought effect, but still works pretty great. Has the same benefits. So here are the benefits once added again. And yep. Alright, we're near the end. So we're at our softening whipped body scrub. So you will need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of any body wash, and half a teaspoon of water. So in a bowl, you're going to start off by adding your body wash, not shower gel. Use a body wash or else it's going to become more of a foam rather than like, you know, something that's whipped. So you're going to mix it. So make sure you add half a teaspoon of water and just mix. Trust me, this took me 5 minutes. I only shortened it to like 10 minutes after like fast forwarding it many times. So now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda just to add foam and so you can balance your pH after all that stuff being on your skin. And then just give it another mix. Alright, so now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your sugar and then give that a mix. I feel like I'm going a little too slow on this recipe, but it shouldn't take you more than 5 to 6 minutes. And now, I just realized how slow I am right here. Apologies for that. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt right here, just for more exfoliating. You don't need to. I obviously decided to be extra, but yeah, until you like it, that's it. So here it is, all done, all ready. I mean, I'm not the best at this one, but you know, still works nice anyways. Some of you all probably know how to make it better than me, but here are your benefits anyways. Alright, now we have the refreshing aloe and rose gel body scrub. So you will need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon rose water, and 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil or almond oil. So you're going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of rose water. I think it was supposed to be 1 tablespoon, but I think I'm adding 2 here, but you do whatever you want. Ours is pink because we chose the natural. And then add your rosehip or almond oil. And then your aloe vera gel. So now you're going to give it a good stir. So this one's more of a gel, which is why I like it. I don't know why, but I love gel lotions, anything gel. It just kind of, I don't know, I'm more attracted to those products for some reason. But anyways, here are your benefits. Perfect one for the summer. And your last recipe coming at you, detoxifying green tea body scrub. You will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of green tea, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon of peppermint or almond oil. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you're going to add your oil. Next up, you are going to add your aloe vera gel. We were kind of running low on that, so not really generous there. So then you're going to add your green tea. Make sure it's already boiled and ready. we decided to add some color into our green tea. I don't know, it just felt too boring and dull. Just don't add too much or else you're gonna be coming out of the shower like an alien. But yeah, that's this one. Nice and detoxifying, refreshing to anyone who likes minty and refreshing scents. And here are your benefits. Once again, finally, we are done. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it helped. So don't forget to follow my Instagram at lucidly.selfcare, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? And thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I didn't know I could get this far to YouTube. But anyways, request any videos you'd like to see and let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.